Good morning, children. Welcome to my channel Bright Head Kids. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more videos. So today's video is about monsoon, rainy season, which we all enjoy a lot. So let's start. The monsoon is the season of rains in India. It lasts from June to September. During this season, the sky is full of dark rain clouds. We often have showers throughout these months. Many times it rains heavily for days. Children love monsoon season. It's a time of rain wear. Children are excited to buy new umbrella, raincoats and gumboots. They run out in pouring rain and sing songs of rain. They sail paper boats in rainwater pools and puddles on the ground. They enjoy feeling the raindrops on themselves. They relish cool and pleasant climate. Sometimes they dance while it is raining outside. A good monsoon gives us plenty of grain yield. If monsoon fails, there would be lack of life essential necessities. We could face scarcity of food and drinking water. People would starve and suffer. Thus, our life and happiness depend on monsoon. Heavy rainfall may lead rivers to flood. Floods cause great loss of life and property. Strong wind may blow off roofs and damage houses. Floods can uproot trees and block roads. It is everyone's responsibility now to prioritize the plantation on barren land and increase the greenery all over the world. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed the video. Please comment and let us know the topics on which you would like us to make more videos. Enjoy learning. Thank you.